So today I'm in a 3-litre SC, nice early car. It's at a great price, either for turning into something amazing or just enjoying and using every day as it is. It's got a sports exhaust on it, so it hasn't got heat exchangers, so if you want something heating, not the car for you unless you change the exhaust. But what it has got is a lot going for it. It drives lovely, mechanically very sound, a few little surface rust spots, but from a perspective of just getting it and running it, fantastic. Or taking it, turning it into an RS evocation or something like that, be an amazing project car for somebody as well. So if somebody doesn't buy it quickly, I think we'll probably turn it into a ring car ourselves.